Hello friends, it is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. I decided to do an unboxing of a corporate gift. I work full-time. We were doing team building exercise and guess who won one of the 3 prizes? Moi. So it is from a company called Sugarwish. You're going to get a box just like this in the mail. Cut it open and there's a box inside just like this. So, and on top of that box is a little card. It says, Sugarwish, congratulations on being selected by the prize wheel at your teambuilding.com event today. Enjoy this sweet surprise courtesy of, and then my company's name. So there we go. So they gave me a code and I went to a website link and there was an assortment of gift boxes for me to choose from. Candy, cookies, a dog box. I could have curated a dog box. I don't have a dog, I have a cat. And coffee/tea. That's what I was immediately drawn to. I did look at the other boxes. Oh, there was also a popcorn box. You can curate, popcorn. My company's very generous. I got to curate 8 items in my box. 8-item box is $58. That includes tax, shipping, whatever, and thus I got this box. So it was really sweet. I got to curate the box. So this is the coffee tea box that I curated. I chose 8 items and I'm going to show you to you. If you're interested, I'll leave the link. So I chose, let's see, 1, 2, 3. I did 4 teas, 4 coffees because, symmetry. Symmetry. I like that. So the first tea is this. It's just a very plain box. Each one contains, let's see, 1, 2, 3. I don't even know. 5. No, yeah, 5 tea bags. So this is an organic oolong, and it's from Bangladesh. That's the first tea. I love organic teas. And the second one I chose, again, 5 teas. I don't know why I'm surprised, but I am. And this is a black tea. I love organic teas. So this is tea Tolua. It's also direct from Bangladesh. Black teas. I'm gonna mix them all together I have a whole cabinet devoted to tea and coffee. So I'm not keeping them in these boxes. So unpack time. And then I got organic lemongrass, 5 individual teas. There are little tea bags inside. You don't need to put it in a tea strainer. And then the last tea, I love this stuff, is chamomile tea. So I can tell from unboxing these teas, they are all manufactured. All these teas are manufactured by the same tea company called Tea Tulua. And it's certified organic, Pennsylvania certified organic. Okay, there we go. So those are the teas. And then I got 4 coffees because I'm a coffee girl too. I love my coffees. And these are 2-ounce coffees. And I chose the Sumatra. Again, it's 100% organic coffee. So this is Ampersand Coffee Roasters. It's fair trade organic, supporting women's empowerment. So I got the Sumatra. Got, it's like, this is so much better than the popcorn box. Shady Lady, Colombia, Ethiopia, Sumatra, rhubarb, chocolate, and red berry. fabulous. And all the coffees are 2 ounces. I got one from Peru. Medium roast, milk chocolate, hazelnut, and cashew. 100% organic coffee. Gives you all that information on the back. Love it. Love our coffee. Use Love Save 7 on your first purchase. Where? At w&/coffee.com. There you go. There's your coupon. Save $7 with Love Save 7. Oh, goodness. And then the last one is Congo light roast, chocolate, caramel, and lemon lime. All of these have the Love Save 7, www.ampersand-coffee.com. So that's Sugarwish. Perfect for corporate gift giving. I think if you wanted to go there and even purchase a box for a friend, you can do that as well. I'm just putting the information out there because I've never heard of this company before. And I have to give it to my company. They're very, very generous. I thought choosing the 8 items at the $58 price point, and I was one of 3 winners. I thought that was really generous. So thank you, company. I appreciate it. And that's it. That's Sugarwish. Sugarwish. Cool box too. Probably gonna be recycled though, but yeah, it's definitely a cool box. And I'm gonna put all my little teas and coffee in here. Anyway, I will see you all in the next video. If you know what's good for you, hit that subscribe button. I'd appreciate it. Thank you all. Bye.